For the repair of the Osaka control motors, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the units. For testing, we add a 220 volt AC power supply, a 4 to 20 mA input, and a multimeter in order to measure the milliamp output. As we manipulate the input signal, the motor rotates to the desired position. The motor stops in both occasions as we supply the minimum and maximum input signal, and we can also see the output signal of the motor on the multimeter that matches the input signal that we supplied it with. The same process is repeated for the second motor. The third, as well as the fourth. It is now clear that all motors are working successfully and are ready to be delivered to the customer.